Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with the project for the third week of the Girls Just Want to Have Sun collab. So this week's project, I made cards using the Sunshine Echo Park Laura Whitlock, the paper that I made my album out of. So that was my project for last week. So this week I did make some cards with it, and I actually, made more than it's going to fit in this video. So I'm going to have another video with those cards in it. But these ones, I'm actually going to package up. So I bought this during Valentine's Day, and it was blank card and envelope set. And these really aren't cards, they're more like just mats. But they came with these cute little vellum envelopes. They're kind of like a note card or 4-bar size. So I've been using them to make little card sets. So I've got 4 little envelopes and an acetate bag. And I cut a topper using this die right here, which is the Avery L little topper die. And, you can get, toppers and things like that from, from AliExpress. But I really do like this Avery L die. It's a really nice size. So here are the little cards that I made. So let me go ahead and show you the cards. So here's this one. And this one I just used this is a sticker sheet, and this was a cut apart, and then this was a sticker as well. And then I just used my stickles to glitter it up, and I think it looks really cute. I don't think you really can kind of tell that this was just stickers. So that's the first card. This card right here just uses stickers from the sheet. So I've got the flower sticker, the daisies, the border sticker, and then this one I just put on cardstock. And then this one is a cut apart, and all I did was mat it and add some little gems there. And then this one is popsicle, and I just added some enamel dots, and then just did some stickles in the I Love Summer. So pretty cute. And then you've got your 4 envelopes. And then you just put them in your little bag. And then I've got a fun, other 2 cards are really fun. They fit in here just perfectly, this 4 set. So then I'm just going to peel this off. And I pull that down. And so for this, I'm just going to put some double-sided tape down here and here. Pretty cute. And I'll show you these pivot and pop cards I made. So there's that. I think it's pretty cute, even though my words are a little upside down because they bother me. So the last thing is I do have some of this ephemera left. So I've got to decide which one. Oh, I'm looking at my bag. Oh, I don't like the way that one looks. Okay, I'm just going to use that one. Okay, so this one just says, "This way for summer fun." And then I'm just going to use some little pop-up squares on here. And I just really, really love making these. So I think this is the 3rd little set that I've made. So I'm hoping that I find some more of these. I feel like I have some more of these little envelopes somewhere, but I love this this size. It's very cute little note cards, and these are going to be great for little gifts. Could pop them in as a teacher gift with a gift card, and super cute. So this way for summer fun, and there's my little gift packet. Okay, so next I made these 2 pivot and pop cards. These are made using the Lawn Fawn Pivot pop-up die. And I really do love that die. It's a very, I don't know if I have it up here. It's a very simple die. It's very small, which I like. How they made the apparatus that makes it pop, which of course I can't find it right now, so it's somewhere. But yeah, it's really great. So anyway, here's the front of the card, and it's just kept simple. This is actually cut apart from another collection, the Polrific. And then we've got just the cut apart right there and some enamel dots. And then when you open it up, it pops up. And so I just used stickers from the collection, kept it really simple. And then this is from the ephemera. And then see how it just closes so nicely. Just really, really cute. And so here is my last card that I'm going to share for this. And I used my Your Next stamp, little pineapple stamp set. I think it's really conveniently located. Honey pineapples. Super cute. I just got this. And just did some enamel dots. Kept it really, really simple in the front. And then the inside, here it is on the inside. It's another little pineapple drink here. And then these are from the collection. They were stickers from that Sunshine collection. And then just this party like a pineapple. So it's your day. Party like a pineapple. Isn't that super cute? So anyway, these are my two projects. I made these, or two projects, I guess it's more than that, but my pivot cards and then my little card set. So thank you for watching. Make sure that you visit all the collaborators below. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.